Nakaitim ang Titan, nakaputi naman ang Converge Fiber Xers. And it is going to be Ambog winning the tip kontra kay Arana. This one. Abueva will glide in. His layup is good.
First field goal made by Calvin Abueva.
Abueva with a rebound. At the other end, Mikey scores the second field goal para sa Converge.
This is where you're gonna, kumbaga, shake off the rust. Yung bang makakuha ka ng magandang opportunities to run, get your confidence up, and then you make extra passes para na ma-develop mo yung fast break and also your mentality of making an extra pass and finishing strong. Back-to-back fast break attacks here.
Getting it done on the run. The steal by Jalen and the completion by NJ. That's an
Given the multiple scoring options available. Balik sa inyo, mag-uwat Coach RG.
And that is exactly what they're trying to do. Force a lot of misses, trying to score on the break when the defense is not yet ready. Fast track muli yung tinatawag nating cohesion just to increase your chances of winning.
Eh, yung Abueva, ang dalas injured nun. Yung Mikey Williams, late dumating, and then he eventually just averaged 8 points a game.
Late dumating, tapos ang tagal hindi nakapaglaro. Iba ang level dito sa PBA. Kaya nanibago itong si Mikey Williams. And not only that, ngayon nga, wala na naman itong si Alex Stockton. So, mag-iiba na naman itong laro nitong Fiber Xers. So, good fast break attack. Their first field goal here in this ball game, courtesy of Avillonar.
Nakakwentuhan natin kanina lang na si Boscong Willie Marshall.
Yan, maganda yan.
Ang PBA teams in an import flavored conference o laden conference, may dalawang game na back-to-back na pagbibigyan basta maganda yung dahilan na walang import. Pero pagdating ng pangatlo, may multa ka na.
Okay.
Pero ang balita din daw niya, lumabas na yata ang clearance. Kaya bukas, mag-ensayo na dahil sa Martes maglalaro ulit ang Titan. NLEX ang kalaban sa Antipolo po yan.
Kala ko bukas maglalaro na eh. Wala naman tayong laro bukas eh. Nagulat ako sa'yo.
Back-to-back sila nun.
Yes, it's a very good development para rito sa Titan Ultra. But it is also a situation wherein the locals can actually increase their confidence. So wala silang aasahang import dito. Sila ang gagawa ng paraan para maging competitive kalaban itong Fiber Xers.
Salmonia with a stop. Converged by 6. You in the front court. The floater is good.
Back-to-back baskets. This guy just shot 1 out of 9 in their previous game. And look at him. Looking up there sa langit. Nagpapasalamat na pumasok ang kanyang tira.
Alam mo, this season, ngayon lang din naman talaga pumasok itong Titan as Hudson tatapboard yung pagtapos, no?
It's good enough if there is an import. But if there is no import, again, dapat yan malaking import ang mga minutong lalaro in the zone.
Speaking of speed, Juan Gomez de Liano pumasok na para sa Converge. Policarpio now sporting a headband. Was looking for the angle. Will get it back out to Baltasar. Concepcion pumasok na rin para dito sa Converge.
Tinawagan ko nga si Patrick Aquino. Sabi ko, hindi mo na ako pinapansin. Yung mayabang kaibigan natin yung sila.
Alaskado ka agad, eh, no? Ular trying to clean this one up. Baltasar with the rebound. Juan and Justin, they involve Concepcion and Juan.
Aspect in this game na kita rin naman natin is his willingness to make. Pinagyayabang nitong Converge na meron silang twin tower combination.
3-ball ni Ular against the shot clock. Had to put it up. Baltasar para sa rebound. Juan on the move, puts it up. Concepcion will finish at the cup. Tungkab in attack mode, goes to the corner. Concepcion kanina, alley-oop. Ngayon, tres naman.
Alam mo ito si Concepcion, mabibilip ka rin talaga.
And he shoots anyway. Tungkab trying to keep it right there. But it ends up with Joshua. Sumang for 3. Ular will clean it up.
Pati yung kumpiyansa, kitang-kita mo, laglag ang balikat itong mga manlalaro ng Titan Ultra. And of course, there's also frustration dahil pwede silang tumira sa 3, pero 11 attempts.
Play of the half natin yan. Natin sa atin ang Sports Plus.
Look away pass by Juan Gomez.
He gets his rhythm going. as Baltazar will go to Arana. The Justins connect.
Always nice to see two big men making those short, crisp passes inside the paint. Good enough para hindi matawagan ng tres ang dalawang yan. So alam naman natin, maganda talaga yung kombinasyon ng dalawang yan.
Emergency pass to you. Tapunta kay Javillonar.
Uy!
Isahan si Baltazar.
Grabe, pinangga.
Final score, tambak na tambak. Pagdating ng Cops Cup, 103-82. That's an average of 29 points, yung average margin of victory ng Converge versus Titan so far.
Parang gano'n na rin papunta itong laban na ito. Dahil alam mo, magandang workout ito para sa Converge. Para lang ma-fine-tune nila yung kanilang opensa. Tapos magkaroon din sila ng teamwork sa kanilang mga defensive schemes, particularly yung mga ball screen defense nila. This is something that you always want to see. Jalen Hudson trying to find an open teammate. At ito na nga, Mikey Williams for 3.
Sa kabila naman, Titan continues to shoot blanks. Arana tied up by Sahonia. Nakawala! And one pa!
Talaga. Tapos ganito pa yung mga kasamahan mo. Isang manlalaro na kayang-kaya talaga pumunto sa ilalim. Hindi nagpapanik. Great waste.
Sahonia trying to wake up Titan Ultra. You from way outside. That's a 4.
6 na puntos na. Itong si Franio. 5 puntos lamang yan. Kanina pa natin nababanggit yung kanyang miserable performance. Ngayon, madadagdagan.
One with a turnover.
Kita mo. Tama na naman.
Galing ah. Kung may kasama yun na tinagi sa board.
Mintis yun. Gagalit na naman yung coach.
Wait, that's 6. That's a 6-0 run. Napapasagi naman ni Mikey Williams.
Mikey Williams obviously now playing with better legs.
Yeah.
Yun ang kita talaga natin na medyo wala in the previous conference. Wala siya masyadong elevation. Even dun sa kanyang mga jump shots. Alam naman natin, puhunan ni Mikey yung kanyang mga legs every time he tries to make a shot.
Kasi hindi ganun kadali. Hindi pa pwedeng kahit nasa Estados Unidos kang nagpi-pick up game at nagwi-weekend tournament. Malayo yung level ng PBA sa ganun.
Tama.
Kung nasa NBA ka, sige.
Yes, madali
Di ba
yung
yun?
adjustment. Ron.
NBA o kahit G-League, di ba? Pero yung pa-weekend tournament, hindi uubra yun. Mikey on the move.
Ito yung sinasabi natin. Oh, kita mo. Short pa rin pero alam niya na may kukuha ng offensive rebound sa kanyang kupunan Nandyan si Arana.
Nandiyan pa si Muyang sa kabilang side.
Yun na nga, lalapan, ang lalaki, creates a lot of space.
Si Baltasar ka, wala pang ginagawa pero lamang na 18 na naman ang kanyang kupunan. Sahonia short. Ilang 3-point attempt?
Nakakarami na to.
Di ba? Ito, tres na naman, malamang. Inigo. No,
Ayun,
sit
ang
down low.
pasa naman pala kaya ipinasok dahil sa kanyang good eyes and vision.
Si Baltasar, 1 point pa lang so far this game. As Hudson! Bastos jam! He took on everybody in the black jersey.
He can really do everything. And that is the reason why they brought him over here because of highlight plays such as that one.
20 na naman ang abante ng Converge. May nakahigang naka-team si Omega. Tatakbo na ang Converge.
Ito na naman sila.
Mikey makes it a 22-point game.
Napakabay Jalen Hudson.
And pagkatapos niya,
Talagang itinatakbo niya. And usually, when you run down on the offense, you will be rewarded. Fast break points, nakita na rin natin yan. 14-6, abante. Itong Fiber Xers.
Ular trying to break the silence para sa Titan. Maintains si Javillonar. No look pass. Abueva to Baltazar. Back to the beast. Thought he was fouled. Threw it up. Made it anyway.
Ang importante lang dyan is meron pang mga magic shots. Ways to score. On the other hand, ito naman si Calvin Abueva. Pinalibag, tumama. 50 puntos ang kanilang total points.
Katapat nila. Itong sina Juan Gomez de Leaño. Hudson took it right to the cup. Baltazar cleans it up in the loudest way possible.
Strong putback right away. And weekend transition. Foiled once again by the quick feet and the great anticipation skills by Jalen Hudson.
Baltasar will offer the pick. Di naman ginamit. Hudson kicks. Archie from the baseline. That is a 28-point lead para sa Convert.
Ready to shoot talaga itong si Archie Concepcion. Kaya tuwan-tuwa rin yung mga nag-a-assist sa kanya.
Sahonia for 3. Finally, para sa Titan.
Alam mo, shooter to eh. Nakita ako maglaro ito sa San Beda. And there was one game in the last conference. That was against Meralco wherein he scored 25 points. Majority coming from Rainbow Country.
Ang bilis naman binawi ni Hudson sa kabilang dulo.
Tapos itong si Junicio, hindi pa nakaka-score sa laban natin ngayon.
Si Juan Gomez de Leaño nga, 2 points pa lang, pero he's got 5 rebounds and 4 assists. Sahonia now with back-to-back threes.
Yes, nang makita niya ang stat sheet during halftime. Ika nga niya, we need to contain Converge's points in the paint. Hindi na kami dumedepensa, nauunahan pa kami sa rebounds. Hindi na daw pwede maulit ang 90-plus rebounds given away. So the ask is to play with more effort.
At yung pepwestuhan ng mga kakampi niya kahit wala siyang bola, sinasabihan niya. Saan pupunta dito ang Titan? That's a 4. And they get bailed out by Sahonia. Because you don't want anything untoward to happen the rest of the way in a blowout like this, Coach RG.
Tama. So, kailangan yung always keep your emotions in check. Samantala, what we're seeing is a beautiful kind of offensive firepower provided by Jalen Hudson.
31 na. It's a 31-point lead now para dito sa Converge. Sahonia, he's been the lone bright spot para sa Titan. Siguro ang ball.
Pinuhat ni ang buhot. Anong sumabay.
Pag nagka-import na tong Titan, should be interesting how they play NLEX on Tuesday. On the flip side of it, sa Wednesday, dahil sa pinakita ng Terra Firma kanina, that should be an explosive matchup between Terra Firma and Converge on Wednesday.
Gandang laban yan.
Parating na yung halfway mark ng ating third quarter. Abueva with a steal. Ang ball giving chase. Iniwan para kay Hudson. Kinaliwa pa ni Jalen.
And now they have a better import. Nagka-problema rin kasi sila dahil yung import na nagsimula sa kanila, hindi akma o kumbaga hindi slam dunk doon sa meron silang all-Filipino crew or yung Filipino crew nila. Minsan,
Of course, hindi nagtagal. Actually, ng Philippine ka pa, hindi nagtagal si Calvin. One conference lang dyan sa Titan. For moving over to Converge. 23 yun entering the port.
ganun ba?
Nanalo ng NLEX by 1. So, kung ginawang 22, baka nag-over.
Oo nga, no? Ano?
Sumang fakes the pass, takes the 3.
Ay,
Roy lights it up.
Back-to-back threes once again for Titan Ultra. This
Kailangan.
is exactly what Coach Renzi Bahar has been preaching. Shoot threes. But this time around, they're knocking it down.
Dapat no conscience. Walang hesitation as Arana receives it from Abueva.
You have to play with a little more effort, especially if you're trying to chip away. This time, it's up to 22 again. So, second chance points, diving for loose balls, limiting your opponent to just one shot. Those are the goals of Titan Ultra on defense.
Munzon well covered. Ligoro Caralipio. King on the move. Could not finish. Abueva para sa board. Calvin to Arana on the run. Tatagaan ni Omega. Ilan na? Vince? Siyam na rebound na para kay Abueva. Omega taps it, but it goes to Mikey Williams. No look. Papunta sa kanyang kaliwa. That's a big finish.
Kasi mahirap kasi, di ba? Yung hinahalin tulad natin sila doon sa kupunan na nakalaban ng Barangay Ginebra sa finals. So ang iniisip natin, kung merong guest team, ganun din sana ka-competitive. But it doesn't happen that way.
Yun yung gold standard, yung Bay Area, no?
Bay Area na yun. Ang galing ng mga manlalaro, nakakatuwa, nagkaroon ng interest ang ating mga kababayan, dumami ang mga nanonood. In fact, nakapag-set pa tayo ng record, di ba? Nung finals na nilaro natin doon sa Philippine Arena. More than 50,000 actually true to that stadium to watch the game live.
Yung nakasunod naman ng Bay Area, yung Hong Kong Eastern, they were decent, they were good. Ang problema, masyadong maraming nilaruan. Nasa Hong Kong na liga, nasa EASL, nasa PBA. Sa loob ng isang linggo, 3 beses na eliminate sa 3 liga. Naubos sila. Nagsabay-sabay yung playoffs eh.
Hindi lang maganda yung pag-manage nila ng kanilang mga tournaments na sinalihan. Karamihan panira na, napakainit. Pero ito pa yung kailangan ma-improve ng Titan Ultra. Super slow mo sila mag-execute ng kanilang half-court offense.
Ular down the middle,
Ayan.
loses control. Mikey will clear it.
Yan ang nangyayari. Because you're very slow with the way you execute your offense, it's very easy to anticipate if you're playing defense.
Tongkab lights it up.
Nakagis na natin yan.
29. Wala nabutin dito ng Titan.
Ano ba isa pang kumbaga na kasanayan lang yung pag tinatawag nating cagers sa mga players.
Laman ng Converge, Titan assistant coach Gerson Cabiltes opted to explore more scoring options in the latest huddle. Half-court offense naman ang gusto niyang subukan this time around. As he says, we need to open the driving lanes for Josh and see if that will be effective.
Dito ng Titan pero can't get anything going right so far. 3-point play opportunity pa to para kay Cliff.
Look at the way they make that pass. Look at the way they go for their entry pass to run their offense. It's faster right now. That is why the defense was not able to react. So Joshua Monzon, ang feeling niya, all right, this is my time. There are plays that is being run for me, and I'll prove to you that I'm still the best scorer for this team.
5 points in total para kay Monzon. Sumang with a second three.
Now they're trying to push that drop. They're getting into a very good rhythm right now. 5 straight points for Titan Ultra.
6 na puntos in total para kay Roy Sumang. Tongkap. Nahanap si Williams. Mikey scored 11 in the first half. Di masyado nagambag ng third. Ngayon naman, nakakuha niya yung anggulo ng layup. Titan can't make a dent. Kung hindi 29, 31 nagiging lamang ng Converge. Nice pass, Monzon over to Ular.
So Monzon is now the focal point on the offense. Is making extra passes, is going for shots. So kita mo, nag-iba na itong direction ng opensa ng Titan Ultra.
Yun yung pinaka-dangerous weapon mo nga, di ba? Si Joshua. As a 3-ball is delivered.
Very good start for the Road Warriors.
Steal here by Caralipio. And they will reward the big man for running the floor. Sabi ko nga.
Tama na. Giant Pandas!
Ayun, Jai, sabi sa'yo, may panda dun eh. Justin Baltasar coming off a timeout. Trying to make up for lost time here, Coach RG.
Kailangan niya, 5 puntos pa lamang na yabang dyan. Samantala, ito namang si...
1 GDL.
Kasi yan ang gusto niya ngayon eh.
Over to the other side. Concepcion knocks home a 3.
So, hockey assist pass ron na mabibigay yung assist dito kay Policarpo.
Inaabot pa ni Poli.
Poli!
Larry Bird na, lamang dito ng Converge.
12 puntos kanina. Tingnan natin kung mainit pa rin ang kanyang pagbabalik.
Putback. Pasok. Para kay Dami Contapay. Baltasar, steady lang. 6 points, 2 of 5 shooting tonight. Pero meron siyang na rebound. Go get another one, Justin. Maganda-ganda yung stat line. Sa Honya, nanlamig na. 5 minutes away from Converge. Going 1-0. Ayun, naka-top court finish na si MJ.
For Converge, only 16 for Titan Ultra.
Fran off the glass. He's got a dozen. One steps back. Tra. Pinati mo kasi. Hindi naghanap ng puntos eh.
Ngayon, naghahabol na. Hindi, maganda rin naman talaga yung bang malapit ka sa G's. Ang hirap habulin kasi nun eh. Kung 2 points ka lang, for example.
But this time, inilagay naman. Pero the rest of the squad, may kailangan isip-isipin din. Ano?
Tsaka gusto mo rin naman talaga is makakompete ka, di ba? We are playing in the PBA. This is the professional level already. Childhood dream mo yan eh, di ba? Na makatapak sa PBA.
Kaya ito, ang ganda, no? Tinatakbo pa rin nila yung mga play nila para masanay lalo sa game speed.
I like that effort of Calvin Abueva.
It's them another possession. Clemente misses though. Yun, Lipalam taps it over to the Beast. 3-ball. Nope. Juan Gomez with yet another rebound. That's number 7. You Actually, conscious effort na yan eh.
Naku naman yan, no, niluwa pa yung tira ni Aris. So, samantala, ito na. Ayun! Hinigo, papasok!
Demente now with 9 points, career high. As we hit the 2-minute warning, last 2 minutes na to at sa atin, Sports Plus. Na natin ko si Clemente habulin yung double digits. Si Juan gusto talaga yung big man. Lipalam gets his basket. And look at that bench shot converge.
Yes. O, kung meron mang minor tulad ng nangyari kay Larry Moya, na pwede pa naman makabalik sa laban.
Clemente, hindi binigyan yung mga big man niya. Nila, ayan si Juan, shot tinawag para mag-pick and roll.
Can you imagine, pwede niyang sabihin, ha? Ayan, tignan natin kung madadagdagan. Ayun! Back to back!
Lipalam for 3, Lipalam 5.
Beses mo masasabi, na 5 points ako, si Juan 2 lang.
Di ba?
Di ba? Pero,
Score niya.
ilan assist na si Juan? Yun ang tanong dyan. 10!
One conference in, last conference pa lang, delikado na to. Ngayong ganito nakikita natin, mukhang mas lalalim ang kampanya nila.
And the best thing that they saw,
But that'll do it. It's gonna be a 31-point win para dito sa Converge.
this is a good start, of course, for Converge, but definitely not a good gauge for them. Dahil nga, they were playing a team without an import, but still.